Welcome to How to Do Technology. Today we're going to see when use let of ES6. So let's start. Let is a keyword used to declare a block scope variables. So block scope variables. But first, for understand how let works, let me explain you how var works. Var is another way to declare variables, and when we are using var keyword, they are called function scope variables. So first, I'm going to teach you how var works. So let me create some examples for you. When we are declaring variables with var outside the function, these variables will be accessible globally to the script. So let's see, var a equal to 100. This is globally. I can use this variable through all my script. Then I have one function, numbers is the name. So here inside the function I can access to a is possible because it's accessible through all the script. Then I am executing the function. So it's possible. Yes, I have 100 here. Also, if I want to access outside the function, it's okay, no problem, because it's globally accessible, this variable. But what happens if I have let's see, if I have one variable inside with var declared inside the function, like 200 for example. In this case, this variable will be only accessible inside the function. This is called function scope variables with var, because I can only access to be inside the function. So let's see. B here, we don't have problems there because it's inside. So 100 and 200, that is inside, 200 is the value of B. But what happens if I want to access to B outside the function? So I will have an error. So let's see the error. Reference error, B is not defined. Yeah, because if I want to access to the variable that is with var inside, I can do that only if it's inside. So this is okay. What else? Variables. Now we will see let. Variables that are declared using let keyword are called block scope. So always remember that let is block scope. Let is block scope and var is function scope. So let, block scope. When block scope variables are declared inside a block, remember that one block in JavaScript is called or is defined by two or one pair of braces here. So this is called block. So here in this code, I have one block here. If I want to create another block, I can do that. Let's see, if I have this, for example, then I have other block here. So I have two blocks, main block and then a sub block here. So this is called block. Let me change here, block right here. Okay. So if I have one variable declared inside a block, let's see, C equal to 300, I only can access to this C outside the block scope. Inside the block scope. So here I will not have no errors because it's inside of the block scope. Let's see, it's here 300. But if I want to access to this variable C outside the block, I will have one error. Look, reference error. C is not defined. So let, when we are using let, the variables are only inside the block or block scope. Also, when we are using let, and if we want and if we already declare a variable and we are redeclaring the variable, the same variable inside the block, we will have an error. Let me explain. So if we have C here with let, and I want, or error, I want to like redeclare the C here, I can do that. I will have an error also. Look. Syntax error, identifier C has already been declared. But this is the case with let. I can do that. I can declare again the same name of the variable, and also it's not like overriding. If you see, if I have, like for example with bar here, the value of the first declaration will be overridden by 500. Let's see, it's possible with bar 500. But what happened with let? I can do that. So let do not permit to override the value. I will have the error. C has all been declared. Okay. What else? If we are using bar, okay, yes. Okay, if we have same variable, okay, if we have this variable with let outside the block of this scope or this block scope, I can do that because it's different block. So let's see. So this C is different variable of this C. It's totally different because it's in another scope. This C is in this main scope or block scope, and this C have this block scope. So are different. These have 300 and these have 500. So here we will not have error. Okay. So it's different, 300 and 500. But if I want to do the other way inside here, I will have an error because I am declaring again the same name, and also we could not override the value of the first declaration inside this block scope. Okay. What else? Conclusion. So conclusion of this video. Let, remember, let are block scope variables and bar are function scope variables, are different. Variables could not be redeclared in the same block, could not be. Using let keyword prevent scoping mistake, yes. Using let make the script more friendly, yes. And also make the code easy to read. We can read the code more easy. So that's it for now. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, please. And also, if you want to see more videos, I have my channel here, how to do technology, and you can see this special video that is called what is ES6 and why it's so important. So please visit my channel, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.